Welcome students to class 6th. Today we will solve the exercise part of our second chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Our chapter is completed. Let's go through the exercise part. Answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. What is the true shape of the earth? What is the true shape? It is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly flattened at the poles and bulged in the middle. Question number 2. What is a globe? A globe is a miniature model of the earth. In other words, we can say a globe is a small model of the earth. Question number 3. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? What is the value? 23.5 degree north. Question number 4. What are the 3 heat zones of the earth? What are the 3 heat zones? If you have read the chapter properly, you can answer it. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. You can also draw this diagram to make your answer more clear. In between the lines of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn lies the torrid zone. Then temperate zone is above in both the poles, and last one, blue color, is the frigid zone. Question number 5. What are the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? Parallels of latitudes are imaginary parallel lines from the equator to the poles. And what is meridian of longitude? These are the imaginary semicircle lines running from the north pole to the south pole. Let us understand with the diagram. Parallels of latitude. These are the parallel lines with the equator. Did you understand? The lines parallel to the equator are parallels of latitude. And what do you mean by meridian of longitude? These are parallel lines of which runs from north pole to south pole. Next question. Why does the torrid zone receive a maximum amount of heat? They are asking reason. The reason is because the Tropic of Cancer and it lies between both the lines of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and the sun is exactly over the head once a year on all the latitudes between these two tropics. That means the two tropics. Which are the two tropics? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Once in a year the sun is exactly over the head. Then what happens? The sun rays falls exactly overhead, gives out more heat than slanting sun rays. Therefore the torrid zone receives the maximum amount of heat. Next question. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? This is question of standard meridian. If you have understood the concept of standard meridian, you can answer this question very easily. London is situated at 0 degree longitude, whereas the Indian standard meridian is located at 82.5 east of the prime meridian. Thus, between the longitude of London and the standard meridian of India, there is a difference of 82.5 degree. Then, since each degree of longitude corresponding to a difference of 4 minutes, we have already studied this. That is, 1 degree counts for 4 minutes. Therefore, the Indian standard time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT, followed in London. So, it will be 5:30 p.m. in India, whereas 12 noon in London. Now next tick the correct answers. The blue ones are the right answers. First, the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. They have only asked about the degree, so 0 degree is the right answer. B, the frigid zone lies near, where it lies? Near the poles, near the south pole and near the north pole. The total number of longitudes are, what is the total number of longitudes? The right answer is 360. Please correct it. The right answer is 360D. Next, the Antarctic Circle is located in, what is the right answer? The southern hemisphere. What is the right answer? In the southern hemisphere. Next, grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Now, students, fill the blanks. Answers are already given. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degree south. Next, the standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east longitude. The 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards the poles. The Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. So, our chapter is completed. Write down in your fake copy and learn it.